Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today I'm going to give my 6-month review for the Victorinox Swiss Soldier, a Swiss Army knife I use for the outdoors. If you'd like to watch the original video where I compared it to the Sanrenmu 1919, do check out the video in the card above or the description below. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so and support the channel. I really appreciate that. Thanks. So I carry this knife not in my pocket, but if you watch this channel, you know that I keep it in my jungle survival pouch right over here. So it stays inside with all the other essentials, and if you want to check out the contents of this jungle survival kit, do check out the video in the link in the card above or the description below. But this is my knife for choice inside, of course a multi-tool but with a main blade. And why do I like this Swiss Soldier so much? I do like the size for outdoor folder. I think it's good. That one-handed opening I think is quite essential in an outdoor survival situation, that many times you may have one hand occupied and you do need to open a knife with one hand. This has a serrated blade with a bit of a straight edge over here. This is a chisel grind. Personally, if I had the choice, I would like a conventional blade, maybe straight with a V, kind of a bevel, but I've really had no problem with this in terms of cutting the things I need outside. I never need really neat cuts like I would in an urban environment, such as if I'm cutting paper, I want a nice straight cut. Outdoors, it's basically, rough and tumble. I'll be sawing through, sawing with the knife or cutting through, let's say, cordage or wood or things like that, and I don't need such a nice clean cut. Now if I do really need a fine cut, I can use this edge over here. This has a liner lock, although not in the conventional way. You have to push it the other way, but that's all good, no problem with that once you get used to it. Now I have used many of the other tools in this knife, including the saw. I do carry a silky out-back folding saw, but I have used this at times as well, so very handy, nice length to it, and that's why I like this particular length for a Swiss Army knife as well. I've also used this bottle cap or cap lifter combination with the screwdriver quite often. This too has a liner lock, so it will not close up on you. I have not used the can opener because I don't really open any cans anymore, but I believe I have used that small screwdriver. This one does not have a liner lock. I have used this Phillips head screwdriver a lot, mainly for gear. I think this is really useful, and in my case, I think when I'm outside, it's probably more useful to me than a corkscrew. And finally, there is this awl over here, but I have not used that personally, I believe. Maybe once or twice, but not really just yet. But overall, still very functional, and I think it's a great overall knife, whether you want to keep it in a survival pouch or you keep it as a folder. Now, when I go out, I do carry fixed blades. I generally have a main blade, a secondary blade, and I have a folder of some kind. So this is my folder. I'll be very happy to carry it in my pocket if I need in an outdoor environment. In an urban EDC environment, I probably wouldn't carry this. I think it's too big, and mainly because of the fashion or dressing that you'd have on you in an urban environment, whether you're wearing jeans or maybe dress pants. This is actually pretty big. But when you go outdoors, you're likely wearing hiking pants or some kind of cargo pants. You got big pockets. This will fit in quite well. You could also, of course, dangle it on a clip on this keyring if you really wanted. But overall, I think this is a great outdoor folder, multi-tool, whatever you want to call it. I think this is a great selection, and if you have this particular knife or you've got others in the Ranger series that's this size and with similar tools, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think? Do you think this is a really good knife for that particular use? If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.